Perfect product creation. Matthew Rhodes. Perfect product creation. Perfect product creation. These face-to-face coaching videos reveal exactly how to create your own perfect product that virtually sells itself using our proven, time-tested secrets. Perfect product creation is our complete, brand-new, step-by-step system showing live headshot instructions that enables anyone to easily build a complete product that sells like crazy for themselves in any niche. These secrets are the exact knowledge we've used to generate multiple $10,000 days by selling our own products and services. Actual case studies with instructions, guidelines and templates that we follow when using this system are fully included. Perfect product creation contains step-by-step videos revealing exactly how your customers can build their product in any niche, market or industry, with secret bonus training videos included as a surprise bonus for your customers and clients. Your customers will discover how to create products that no one can copy, products that revolutionize any market, products that instantly generate their own proof, products that make people beg you to take their money, and much more. It is backed by insane research and real field tests from several of our own product launches. Tons of bonuses are included that help guide your customers through the entire process and do it ultra fast, in as little as 1 minute, from A to Z. Perfect product creation upgrade offers. Upsell number 1. Perfect product creation advanced. Price, $97. Inside Perfect Product Creation Advanced, your customers will discover how to get all the work done for them and get others to do nearly all of the work for them. This package allows your customers to start building great products that sell at top speed. Advanced students also get access to additional bonuses that enable them to get extra traffic at zero extra cost. This bonus also includes additional resources to help your customers get instant distribution and tap into even more case studies and tools to help them quickly get free and low-cost traffic to any sales page, website, or offer that they want to target. Upsell number 2. B3 Traffic Bootcamp Enhanced Recordings. Price, $77 plus. Inside B3 Traffic Bootcamp, your customers will get recordings and transcripts of a live bootcamp that we ran to show them exactly how to more traffic for their website, offers, products and more. B3 Traffic Bootcamp stands for Build, Buy and Borrow, the 3 primary ways that your customers can generate traffic. B3 Traffic Bootcamp also includes a bonus recording with a top student of ours who has generated over $50 million with their own business. We unlock their secrets to share and then present it as a downsell for anyone who didn't purchase the full B3 Traffic Bootcamp package. We show your customers exactly we learned and what we do to generate traffic, and they watch live over the shoulder as we build it, buy it, and borrow it. Upsell number 3. Unlock 100% resale rights. Price, $97 plus DIMA sale. The final upsell is the right to purchase 100% commission rights across the entire Perfect Product Creation funnel, including the autos and downsells. This allows your customers to have their own proven, ready-made funnel that generates long-term cash flow as if it was all their own products and sales pages. The 100% commissions are activated for customers 1 week after the launch ends. Matthew Rhodes. Perfect Product Creation.